Ernesto, it's a tense moment, a good moment, a tense moment. You are known for extreme parts of the sport. Last year, you had the smallest parachute, what was it, 35 square feet. And I saw it earlier flying, and I thought it was a kite, and then I was told it was the one you like to flying last year. You like pushing the limits, you like taking it to its extreme. I mean, doing that parachute jump, that must have been quite scary, yeah?
Absolutely, yeah.
And now, your latest, we can reveal, we've kept it quiet for a long time, we're going for extreme size of aircraft.
Yes.
Not any size of aircraft, but jet aircraft.
It is, yeah.
This is what we're going to trial today. It's the first time it's been tried.
It's the first time, yes.
I've just been told that we need to get into the plane and get it started because we're running out of time. Do you want to make your way over to the aircraft?
Sure,
We'll speak to you once you're inside. Thanks so much. It's just going to be an incredible thing. It's an extreme size aircraft. And there's only really an Ernesto who's qualified to fly this plane. We're going to chat to him once he's inside and find out what the plan actually is. So Ernesto is inside this extreme size aircraft right now. We're going to chat to him, he's going to go through the start-up procedure, and we're just going to try and get some communication. He is wearing the full headset, the oxygen and the G-suit. Let's see if we can get him. Ernesto from Regan. Ernesto, do you copy?
Yeah, loud and clear.
Ernesto, I can see you there. You've got a steely look on your face. How's your confidence levels?
As you can see by the look of my face, I'm a little bit nervous, but I think it's going to be fine.
And this type of aircraft, have you had much experience? Did you practice at home on your, I know you like to spend a lot of time in front of the computer in your bedroom, is that where you've been doing most of your practice?
Yeah, most of it, but I think it's going to be a little bit better this way. I'm really confident I'm going to put a good display for everybody here.
So it is one small flight for you, one great leap for model kind, do you agree?
Yes, it's going to be indeed a very challenging display, but I'm sure I'm going to be able to pull it.
Okay, so listen, what I want to get from you now is the start-up procedure of the engine, and I wish you Godspeed, my little action man friend.
Thank you very much, and this is Ultra Bandit call to start.
Copy that.
Ultra Bandit, good afternoon, start approved, QNH 1001, expect departure runway 24, report ready for taxi.
Runway 24, start your engine. Ground, this is Ultra Bandit requesting clearance for takeoff.
Ultra Bandit, Skydive Dubai, clear takeoff runway 24, surface wind light and variable, report final approach.
Clear 24, report final approach. This is Ultra Bandit. We have some problems with the fuel pump. I think I'll have to perform an emergency landing.
Ultra Bandit, copy that, sir. The runway is clear. Report undercarriage down and lock, clear to land.
I'm not quite sure what's happening, but this is not what we actually wanted. We're seeing some comms now. We've got a problem with the engine. He's going to have to dump fuel. We knew this was going to be tricky. It was going to be a tall order. I mean, I don't mean tall order. I mean, no small task. I mean, I don't mean sizes or anything, but it was going to be a big, a bit too big for his boots, if you pardon the pun. But Ernesto seems to be in trouble, and we hope we can get him on the ground safely. But we're just waiting for him now. Ernesto, have you copy?
Go ahead, scan out the background. This is Ultra Bandit. Report some problems with the fuel pump. I guess I'll have to descend quite soon.
Ultra Bandit, we copy that. The runway is clear and undercarriage down and lock, you clear to land.
Copy that.
Ernesto, are you there?
So go ahead, Graham.
Are you okay, buddy?
Yeah, I'm losing power, as we move forward. I think I'm not going to make it, buddy.
No, man. No, listen, there's so much I'm going to tell you. There's so much you don't know.
I don't know what's going through my mind, man. I mean, I'm sorry. I cannot keep talking. I'm sorry.
Ernesto, please. I can't do this, man. I can't do this.
Clear final approach, runway 24. Good luck, buddy. Copy that, runway 24.
Ernesto, just keep your eyes on the horizon, my friend. Just remember that time in Paris. We'll always have Paris.
Remember, if something happens to me, what we did in Paris stays in Paris. At all.
Good luck, my friend. Good luck.
Good, buddy. Looking good.
Get the ambulance over. Get the ambulance over. Not that one, the real size one, the full size ambulance. That's right.
Well done, well done.
I think he's down. I think he's down. Give me some oxygen. Give me a gin and tonic or something. I don't know.
Ernesto! Thomas! Come here, buddy! Come here!
Get this thing open. Get it open. Ernesto. 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 Get this thing off you, man. Get this thing off. How are you? You okay?
Oh man, amazing. I'm really happy that I made it, man. I mean, greatest achievements need a lot of sacrifice, and I think we done it.
You need a kiss of life?
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you
I
sure?
think I'm going to be fine, thank you very much.
Listen, mate, it was a massive achievement, and it's very big of you to go through with this. It's no small sacrifice what you nearly attempted. Listen, would you like a gin and tonic?
Yes, I'll do it.
We can't do that. A cup of tea?
A little coffee, please, mate.
Okay,
Whatever.
a cup of tea.
Any
Biscuit?
drink. Any drink.
You
any
stay
drink.
there, man.